Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of RV accessories with a spotlight on what we believe to be the best water inlet available, the G-Sunny all-metal RV City Water Inlet with check valve. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this product stands out from the crowd. Whether you're a seasoned RV enthusiast or just starting out, having a reliable water inlet is crucial for a hassle-free journey. And with the G-Sunny all-metal RV City Water Inlet, you're getting top-notch quality and performance.
First off, let's talk materials.
This water inlet is constructed from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity that you can rely on, even in the toughest outdoor conditions. But what really sets this inlet apart is its built-in check valve. This feature prevents backflow and keeps out dirt and debris, ensuring that you have access to clean, safe water wherever your adventures take you.
Installation is a breeze, thanks to the simple design and easy-to-follow instructions provided. Plus, with no complex tools or expertise required, it's suitable for users of all levels.
And let's not forget about the added bonuses, like the metal dust cap that keeps dust and debris out of the valve, ensuring the cleanliness of your water source. So, whether you're filling up your RV's water tank or connecting to a city water supply, the G-Sunny all-metal RV City Water Inlet has got you covered.
That's all for today's review, folks.
If you're interested in picking up one of these fantastic water inlets for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below.
And as always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy camping!